Depp and Heard dated, married, divorced in 2017. Abuse allegations led to a $7 million settlement. Depp lost a 2020 libel trial, left Fantastic Beasts, and in 2022, accused Heard of abuse in a defamation trial. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Cinematic Chaos. And today we're going to discuss about a very interesting and controversial topic of the decade. Ta-da! Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case trial. Well, as we all know that it was the most controversial topic of the decade so far. But let me tell from where it all started. Let us discuss about the infamous love-hate relationship of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. So here it is, the complete timeline of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's relationship, separation, and court battles, from when they are said to have started dating to the latest trial. In 2009, Depp met Heard on the set of the Rum Diary. Depp starred as journalist Paul Kemp, inspired by Hunter S. Thompson, with Heard playing his romantic interest, Chanot. Heard's 2011 Vogue interview noted the challenging yet surpassing expectations working with Depp. Depp and Heard were dating by early 2012. Heard and Depp began dating in 2011. In the same year, Depp separated from Paradis with 2 children. He had previous relationships with Ryder and Moss. Before Depp, Heard, formerly with Van Rhee, faced legal issues in 2009 when arrested for assaulting Van Rhee, but charges were dropped. In 2014, Heard was spotted wearing an engagement ring. Depp and Heard's engagement was revealed by People magazine, sparked by a photo of Heard with an ornate ring. Depp playfully confirmed it in a video interview with the Daily Mail, joking about the chick's ring on his finger. In 2015, Depp and Heard married in a private ceremony. After years of dating, Depp and Heard married in a private ceremony at their Los Angeles home, covered by People magazine. In 2015, they encountered legal trouble in Australia for not declaring their dogs, resulting in a joint apology video. In 2016, Heard filed for divorce from Depp and accused him of physical abuse. Heard filed for divorce from Depp on May 23, 2016, citing abuse. Despite no evidence found by police, Depp denied, and reps claimed financial motives in Heard's abuse allegations. A $7 million settlement was reached out of court on August 16, 2016. Heard withdrew restraining order and spousal support request. In a joint statement, Depp and Heard denied false accusations, harm intent, and acknowledged a passionate but non-harmful relationship. Heard donated her $7 million divorce settlement to charity. In 2017, the divorce was finalized. Divorce concluded a year later. Heard got dogs. Depp kept properties. Non-disparagement clause prevented negative comments. In December 2018, Heard wrote an op-ed for the Washington Post, saying she was abused. Heard wrote a Washington Post op-ed on women's treatment in domestic abuse cases, becoming a public figure for speaking out without mentioning Depp by name. In 2019, Depp sued Heard for $50 million for defamation over the Washington Post article Depp's suit called Heard a Perpetrator, framing her claims as publicity. Heard detailed alleged abuse instances, citing scars from incidents like being thrown through a table. In 2020, phone recordings were released in which Heard admitted to hitting Depp in January 2020. Heard admitted hitting Depp in Daily Mail recordings. She regretted not using a proper slap but denied punching. Depp expressed fear of escalating abuse and leaving to avoid danger in the recording. On July 7, 2020, a 3-week libel trial began in July 2020. Depp sued News Group newspapers and The Sun's editor over a 2018 wife-beater article. The trial featured defense statements from Winona Ryder and Vanessa Paradis. Accusations of bed defecation, abuse, and affairs were denied by both parties. On November 2, 2020, the court ruled against Depp in the libel trial. Judge Nicole ruled in favor of The Sun, affirming Depp's violence towards Heard based on 14 cited incidents. Depp, denying all claims, criticized the reliance on Heard's testimony and plans to appeal. He also initiated a $50 million case against Heard in the U.S. over her Washington Post column, alleging it implied him as the subject. 4 days later, on November 6th, Depp announced that he had been asked to resign from his role as Grindelwald in Fantastic Beasts 3. Depp left Fantastic Beasts on November 6, 2020, post-libel case, at Warner Bros.' request. Mads Mikkelsen succeeded him, and despite minimal filming, Depp will get full compensation per his pay-or-play contract. Depp was denied the right to appeal by the court's ruling. On November 25, 2020, Judge Nicole rejected Depp's appeal, deeming it lacking grounds, and ordered him to make an initial £630,000, $841,733, payment for News Group newspapers' legal fees. In March 2021, Depp was once again denied permission to appeal against the High Court ruling by the Court of Appeals in London. The Court of Appeals rejected Johnny Depp's appeal to challenge the High Court's assault ruling on Amber Heard. Depp's claims of unfairness were dismissed, and the court found the original hearing fair. His attempt to present fresh evidence about Heard's charitable donations was unsuccessful. Heard's representatives welcomed the decision, citing strong evidence in the UK case. Heard and Depp's $100 million libel suit began on April 11, 2022. Depp's defamation lawsuit against Heard began on April 11, 2022, in Virginia over her domestic violence op-ed. Heard countersued for $100 million, and high-profile witnesses like Elon Musk and James Franco were expected, along with new evidence. The court case began with opening statements from Heard and Depp's lawyers. In the defamation trial, Heard's lawyer argued Depp aimed for a soap opera and emphasized her free speech. Depp's lawyer accused Heard of lying and harming his career. Depp took the stand in court and said that Heard had a need for violence during their relationship. Depp asserted Heard as the primary abuser, citing insults and sporadic physical altercations. He attributed substance use to cope with their turbulent relationship. Depp said a possessed Heard severed his finger with a vodka bottle after an argument. In Australia, amid tension with Heard, Depp poured vodka shots, leading to an argument where bottles were thrown, severing his finger. Depp lied to doctors to avoid implicating Heard and maintain peace. Depp testified that Heard or one of her friends defecated in their bed after he broke up with her. Depp accused Heard of placing fecal matter on their bed after a 2016 fight. Despite Depp finding it absurd, Heard blamed their small dogs, Pistol and Boo, a claim he deemed implausible due to the dog's size and his familiarity with their scent. Can you believe guys Heard or one of her friends defecated in their bed after he broke up with her? That's insane. How far this story will go? To know the complete story, just stay with us till our next video on this infamous love-hate relationship of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. If you're liking this case review, please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.